In the camplet itself, there are lots of places where you can store your stuff. Ones are here on the side. Then we have as well here in the middle lots of pockets, and as well on the other side. But there are as well some pockets inside of each bedroom, like on the sides here and as well here. But we shouldn't forget that here as well is a zipper where you can come inside in the middle of the camplet, and here you can put as well some of your stuff. To store our clothes, we as well use these hanging shelves, which are really good and convenient. They pack in a small box, so they're really great. So they're like this. Under the hanging shelves are as well these parts, so you can hang as well other stuff on these hanging shelves. And we hang them directly on the poles like this. And make them just even. And there is lots of place as well for our clothes and other things. We normally pack them directly at home and store them in the car, as it's convenient to just hang them when we arrive. I will leave in the description a link where you can buy those hanging shelves. But let's not forget all the storage space which as well the kitchen offers. Here are two big shelves where we can put our food or plates and other things. And as well here on the mesh we can put everything what we need but for cooking. I would just advise you not to put anything what can break, because it happened to us that our plates fall down and they are not looking pretty anymore. The camplet itself has a lot of storage space inside the camplet already, so if you are traveling you can put all the stuff you are bringing with you inside the camplet on the beds, or as well if you are having a big box like a storage box like we do, then you can store as well lots of things inside the box. In the storage box we normally put all the tubes, electric cables, other accessories which we need, as well the gas bottle for cooking in the kitchen itself, and lots of other things, because the storage box is really huge. So this is our storage box. We normally pack it full. Now it's kind of empty, but normally it's really full. We always store the essentials of the camplet here, which we need right when we start to set up. So the screw for the legs and as well other things. We as well put everything back inside of the storage box, so we always know where to find things which we need when we are packing down. It's very convenient anyways. But the problem is when we are going on a trip, of course, we need to bring lots of stuff with us, and that's why we pack lots of stuff as well in the car itself. But before we hit the road, I normally prepare all the beds and everything, so we don't have the hassle when we arrive at the campsite. Inside of our bed, we also stored the chairs, the table, and some other small accessories, and as well the kitchen canopy, which is really useful when the summer is really hot and it's better to cook outside. For storage we use as well such plastic boxes because it's really convenient, as you can see what's inside of the box, so you can find everything easily. So this would be it from the storage space in the camplet. And if you are curious what we love about the camplets, I as well made the 15 advantages why we love our camplet so much. So if you are curious, just check it out. I will leave the link in the description below, or just click here.